Paradigm BI presents Starability, building a simple active BI report. This is active BI using the Power Platform. There are three main components: Power BI with an active BI visualization, Power Automate a process request, and an SQL database for source and updating. This is done using the Power BI Starability visual. This is a custom visual. It works in the desktop and the Power BI service. It's available as a download. It's open source. It uses the username defined as a DAX measure as a configurable data and destination. You can download the visual. The source is on GitHub. Recommend you install it as an organizational visual for ease of use. Check out the location for the stars. The SDK is from Microsoft. The titles defined in the source. There's a README in the source as well, so have a look at it. Starability Power Automate processes requests from the visual. The custom visual uses HTTP to initiate a Power Automate flow. A payload in this form with ID, value, and username is passed the HTTP request. The value is a rating from 1 to 5. 0 does not work for her. This type of assessment is not passed. A confirmed response is returned. A row is inserted into the database. This demonstration uses two database tables. Broncos 2020 is the reference table from which the data for the team is imported. Broncos votes is the target table for ratings, which is direct query. In the demo, we retrieve a player rating for the stars visual like this by using the average of the vote column. This is the Brisbane Broncos Power BI report open on the desktop. First component we have there is a simple table with the player names in it. There's an image there, and this is a rating here, and a little credits box. This is the actual active BI bit where you rate your selection, and it'll send the rating off to be processed. Bit of a text box there as well. Have a quick look at the data. It's the player list, and then we've got Broncos votes, which is the table that holds the Broncos. It's very simple. It just averages the votes to give the current rating. Let's give someone a rating. Give someone a rating who hasn't got one. Jack Turpin. There we go. And we'll rate him as outstanding. And you can see that the rating's been received. Just do a little refresh now. There we go. So there's Jake's. He's got a current rating of 5. Now we'll go and have a little look at what's happening inside the visual, the Starability visual there. There's the username. and the ID of the player. On the format, we have the URL that it actually sends the rating to. And we'll have a look at that in a moment and see what happens with that. Now here's the flows, and we'll go into the Broncos Starability flow. And there we see that 3 minutes ago our flow succeeded. It's a very simple flow. We just get the request. There are the inputs. There's an ID and a value. Just send back a quick response to say, hey, look, we just got that. And then we insert it into the database, into the votes table. That's really all there is to it. Here's Jake online. His rating comes up straight away. Thank you for watching. Visit the demonstration at Paradigm BI, get in touch or follow me on Twitter.